Hey guys, Isaac with AW. Can't be any more excited to introduce you to Taylor's newest product. Behind me is the fully hydraulic clamp carrier that we've sold for years. Good unit. The newest innovation from Taylor, been in development for years, is their fully automatic servo-driven front end. And if seconds matter in your operations, that unit is second to none. Guys, it's proven, it works, and it is lightning fast. We'll tighten and loosen clamps in seconds, and it's easy to use. Computer front end on it, you can select from presets to dial in the exact pressure you want. Any operator can use it and will increase production speeds. If you're seeing this video, the product is live now. I'll show you a little video clip of it working. If you have questions on it, give us a call. Taylor, great product, made in the USA, great warranty, and we have techs that know how to work on it, have serviced them for years, and we stand behind this product. Give us a call, AW Machinery, Apple Creek, Ohio, in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania.